Here are some tips for having your home on the market and ready for showings. It is proven, there was a recent study done where 79% of buyers said that touring the home in person is really what helps them make a decision. Not the virtual tours, not the pictures. Those help them get to the property. So now your home is open, we're allowing buyers to come in for their private tours. You need to remember a few things. You want to keep your home clean and decluttered. The home needs to always show as large as possible. You also want to think about staging. Even if you can't afford to do this professionally, your agent should be able to give you some tips. For us, what we're going to do is come in and help you just stage the room to make it look the largest that it possibly can. You might want to spend a little bit of money on just lightening and brightening up the paint colors. Also, storage closets, garages, people want to know they have space. So we want to clean out as much as possible. Also, don't forget about outside. You need to make sure that while the agent is there opening that lockbox, the surrounding area on that front porch, the door area, everything is crisp, clean, and fresh. Same with pine straw in the beds, toys picked up out of the yards, and all that fun stuff. Make it look maintained. And speaking of toys, make sure you have a plan for pets and kids, right? We don't want pets running around the house nor kids during showings. If you have any additional questions or want to give us some feedback, please do. You can fill out the form below or always call, text, anytime. We're here to help you.